even get me started on this whole Makwela situation. The fact that Mselegu doesn't see anything wrong with marrying Makwela, a girl from Makumalo's own village, and then having a whole baby with her. Say, do you not have a conscience? Did it go on vacation? Is it coming back? Like, imagine watching your husband marry someone from your neighborhood. Someone who probably used to greet you, Sawona Mama, and then they are having babies while you are struggling with fertility. Their audacity, their disrespect, their sheer lack of empathy. How is Makumalo supposed to feel? How would any of us feel? I'll wait. Now here's where it gets spicy. Mselegu has the nerve, the absolute audacity to say that because Makumalo is now the provider, she has choices because of her financial strength. Say, let me get this straight. You want Makumalo to provide for your other wives and their kids, but then you throw it in her face then that she has money. Make it make sense.
I'm going nowhere.
Listen, Makumalo can help her husband if she wants to, but why is she expected to be the ATM for the entire Mselegu empire? Is she FNB? Is she Capitec? Where is the logic?
I don't know. I'm still... Because at least 10...
And can we just